Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off contact sharing on iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead to your settings. And what you're going to do here in your settings, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the general and I'm going to just go ahead to the AirDrop. In the AirDrop, what you're going to do, you're going to just toggle off the bringing devices together, and that means that you will not swap numbers with the name drop. You won't share photos or videos from your iPhone close to another iPhone. So basically toggle this one off, right? So in order to actually toggle off the bringing devices together, so no one can actually have access to see your photos or whatever by name dropping. So basically once you do that, you will no longer be sharing your personal info from your device with any other iPhones in the area. Hopefully that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.